Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So today I'm actually going to be installing the GoRhino running boards on the Tundra, but I figured since I have it all laid out at very least, I'd kind of show you, how it came in the box and then obviously what all the components are. And kind of, hopefully, if some of you are kind of on the edge of buying it, I definitely encourage it. As you guys know, I had it on my 2020 Army Green Tundra TRD Pro, and I really liked them. They're perfect in my opinion, especially with the bed liner finish. It cost a little bit more, but definitely worth it in my opinion. But I would also like to just show you guys a couple additions that we did do. As you guys know, I bought these the other day, and these are those 285/70/18 Nitto Ridge Grapplers. I did buy them used, but he was actually able to prove that they're only used for 500-600 miles, so pretty cool, and saved me a little bit of coin, so definitely appreciate that. But I think it came out nicely. It's barely smaller than the 295s that I had on the Army Green, which is a little bit bummer. Normally you only go bigger, right? You don't shrink in size, but definitely pleased with how it looks. You can kind of see, I guess that's not the best example with the wheel corked, but it's still slightly tucked in there, as you can see, but definitely pleased with it, and I do not have to worry whatsoever about it rubbing at all. Whereas the 295s, like I said, I didn't think they did, but once I took them off, I saw that there was a little bit of marring and rubbing that was taking place. So these are for sure going to work out just fine. The other addition, and this some of you pointed out from my last video, but we did end up putting on some window tint. So I went with 15% on the sides and then 5% here in the rear window. So pretty near black on the back. But that's what I did with the previous Tundra too. I jokingly said I'm not going to make a carbon copy of my Army Green, and well, by happenstance I ended up doing that with those Nitto Ridge Grapplers. But let's go ahead and look at all of the components here. So it came pretty neatly packaged all together. As you see, these are the 4 support arms that will connect to the underside of the truck here. And really they bolt on pretty quick, so this should only be like an hour and a half job altogether, especially once you get all the bolts kind of organized and separated from each other. Alright, I'll go show you the boards. So this is how they came. So pretty well packaged in my opinion. I just think GoRhino makes a really good product. So before about 25 of you ask, hey, where did you get it? Or can you link me to the site? I'll just put the link in the my top description. I'll pin it to the top. So if anybody's interested in them, give them a look. But yeah, and of course, same on this side. Each of these, I'm not gonna be able to explain it too well to you guys, but each of these will actually go up inside. This is the top, if you can see here, but it'll go up underneath on the inside of it, where it'll actually mount up to these mounting brackets. So each one of those. That's why I got one per, obviously. But like I said, pretty simple process. The next video I'll show you, of course, will be with them on, but I figured I'd just kind of show you how it comes out of the box and also highlight, of course, a couple of goodies that I did do. I don't think I actually talked about this at all, but this is the same exact tonneau cover that I have on this guy. America. So, let me see, I think there is a, let's see, on top. Anyways, so it is that backflip MX4 Max tonneau cover. The only difference is it is coated with a Line X finish. So you guys have already seen this, so I won't belabor my point. You've already seen me show you how this works. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. But I definitely recommend it. They're very lightweight, which I think has proven to be a bonus in the past. But yeah, definitely like it. Alright guys, well I will wrap up the video there on this one because I wanted to make a short one before I actually installed them to kind of highlight it for you guys. But stay tuned, I'll let you know what it looks like. Appreciate you watching.